Oh God, that's a bus.
I'm so glad you were over here with me. For that bus.
Me too, thanks baby.
And the ascent starts.
Hike. Oh, it says to the left. I think you're going the right way. This hike isn't marked much. This hike's like 2.8 miles. Straight up, apparently. It's very difficult. Rated on the all trails. It should be fun.
Jet lag, and we went surfing yesterday.
Jet lag,
so.
surfing. And we're like, yeah, this is the hardest hike on the all trails for this island, so we should do it. Oh. It's like straight up. Not too bad, she says. You found a rope.
Get down.
You use a rope. Yeah, that's kind of helpful.
It looks kind of sketchy.
Better than no rope.
I don't know.
up there on that rope. There's a wave. I don't recommend doing this with a GoPro. Man, this has got to be the gnarliest one, right? This is a gnarly hike. Wish I could talk more, but I can't. This might be the hardest hike on Oahu. Woo! She is over there. She says it's like half a mile to the waterfall. Getting close. It kind of stopped going straight uphill and it's been cutting across the ridge. Now it's gonna cut down.
Waterfall's down, not up.
Waterfalls are down, Nada. Hey Trisha,
What?
you're not supposed to go chasing waterfalls.
Way less nasty than Lake Mead or even Lake Mojave.
Yeah, probably, right? Alright, gotta crawl our way back out of here. Just a little bit more up. Just a little bit more up than the treacherous downhill.
Devin Sheffield, once again, you have proven you know how to show a girl a good time.
When you get somewhere, you go to all trails. You look for the stupidest, I mean, the hardest hike you can find. And then you take her on that. And if she makes it, she's a keeper. And if you don't make it, well, it's on you. tighten up the old hat for this one. The old scenic viewpoint here. Not much, I tell you what. Some hike.
You were way more close to the edge than I was back at that waterfall.
Whatever, the waterfall's slick.
I suppose that gravel.
Yeah, probably.
I'm glad you're okay, honey.
Thanks, me too. This rock's cool. Yeah, I just stopped filming on the way up as much because I couldn't concentrate. This hike is tough.
Rope is mine. Until I tell you, okay?
Okay.
Kind of like the trees better. Still, just assume I'm on this rope until I tell you.
Okay.
Okay, this rope is yours. I'm on to the next one.
Whew. Yeah, can you imagine if it was raining?
Don't forget to bring a snack.
Now lads, it's okay if you bring her on a crazy ass hike, as long as you keep her fed. It's starting to rain a little. That's sketchy.
The trail, like, you can see it go across this ridge line, and it's just like,
Below us.
oh my god. Whew, okay. One step at a time.
One step at a time. Watch the vertigo.
Okay, rope's yours.
I don't think you'd want to do this in your street shoes. I think so. Oh. That was a sketchy one.
Bad branch. Ain't gonna make it much longer. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, but thank you for catching me.
Just sit on my butt and scoot.
Maybe it's that one you wanted.
Maybe.
I don't know, baby.
It's fine. Our car's still there. Where are we? So we hiked up that hill and then cut over into the valley. You kind of see where the waterfall is, like. Wow, what a hike. That had everything. Pretty amazing. Little pillbox up here. Oh, looks. Oh, damn.
I love that the graffiti artist respected nature enough to only put it on this cement box.
Crazy. This is like some World War II stuff. Yeah?
Oh, for sure.
Yeah.
Look, they can even close up the little holes and everything.
Oh, yeah.
See how? We're almost done with the ridge lines.
Oh yeah, skinny dipping. Do you like that part?
It's very refreshing and nice. I need more water now. Much colder than the beaches are. Your head. I love these ropes. Oh no. Off rope. Alright. Pink rope.
Get it, baby. Trisha's watch says she burned 1,000 calories, which I don't know what that means really, but I feel better about all the musubi I've been eating.
I love musubi every day for breakfast. So beautiful and so much fun. Scrambling and ridge lines, and I'm just so glad that we made it out here today. Thank you, God, for getting us back safe, and it's been an awesome adventure with my husband, so mahalo.
There's not really a trailhead. Just kind of pops out into suburbia. Jungle Urbia.
This is country, not suburb.
Country.
Devin.
Pops you out into the country.
We are like an hour and a half from the city or something.
A guava fell off my tree and killed my dog the other day. Gotta get into my pickup truck and go down to the beach. It's like Hawaii country.
But that is not the lingo.
We parked at the beach lot.
Gotta go beach.
So there's like a sign. We're trying to be respectful.
It's super sketchy because there's the beach, so it makes us worried that whether our car is safe. But we intend to do the right thing, and we're trying to be respectful. So
Good. We just went up to the waterfall. Yeah.
just to the waterfall.
Just to the waterfall.
Oh wait, on the down, bottom or up?
Up.
Bottom of
Or
the waterfall. We didn't go.
But the waterfall, hence its name, right? It drops from up here and it ends up down.
We were on the top, and we
look, yeah, we looked all the way
there was a
down.
little one still above us.
Yeah,
Yeah.
But so I don't know how to get to the bottom.
We don't know how to get to the bottom of the big one. We were on the top of the big one.
You just go straight instead of take when you get to that T.
The first
Yeah.
tee?
Yeah, when you went on the switchback.
Yeah, we took the left.
Yeah, you just would go straight.
Oh, that's the other trail.
How, is it very far?
Huh? No.
Is it treacherous like the other trail?
No, it's probably a lot easier than the other
Is
trail.
it difficult like the other way?
No.
Oh, maybe we should go back and see.
Yeah, it's only 30-45 minutes.
Oh yeah, we're pretty spanked.
And then when you come out to be fortified, I have this absolutely out of this world guava and papaya sorbets, and an avocado gelato.
Oh wow, that's
You're
amazing.
living a really good life.
Yeah,
sir.
that sounds amazing.
But yeah, so I fleece the tourists. I sell them.
Oh, you sell them ice cream?
Yeah, of course.
Do we have any cash?
Yeah, Venmo.
I do.
Well, then that'll work.
What do you want, baby? You want guava?
What you have a guava like smoothie or
Oh no, it's just sorbet.
Just sorbet.
sorbet?
Oh,
Oh,
this is high roller.
guava or pineapple are my choices.
No, guava.
Oh, sorry.
Guava.
Guava. I want the guava.
And you said,
I want the guava too.
there you go.
All right.
Great choice.
Should we just share one?
Of course not.
No.
It's too good to share.
What was your name?
Gino.
Gino, I'm Devin.
Devin?
Devin, yeah.
I have a son, Devin.
Oh, right on.
Yeah.
Guava. I just showed you.
It's amazing.
So, Gino hooked us up with the guava sorbet. He's right here at the bottom of the hike. And he says if you take that right instead of the left like we did, you go 30 minutes and you get to the bottom of the waterfall and hang out. But we're very grateful for the sorbet. So, you know, you just gotta Venmo him. So hit him up on the way out. You're like, why does Devin wear this ridiculous hat? This is why.
Well, back into that fresh, cool water of the spring, so. Ah, Hawaii, I love you. Oh.
Please like and subscribe so you can get more badass adventure videos like this one. Oh, you gonna pick a flower? Uh-oh.
No, you don't pick them.
Don't be picking flowers.
No, that's terrible.
Most respect the Ina. You can smell them though.
Oh, that one's still on. I thought it was on the ground. It's not on the ground.
So glad that we got off of that ridge before it started raining.
The whole way up, I'm just like, okay, now what's this gonna be like in the worst weather conditions? You're always like
Really bad.
anticipating.
Really, that would have been so bad in the rain. We'd have just had to stop.
We would've just slid down.
They were like, prepare to stop
Yeah,
overnight if it rains.
that's true because on some of those treacherous parts with the rocks,
Oh man, you
Like,
can slide right off the edge of the
no.
mountain.
it's okay. You are